Project GS makes a start again. Where are we with Project GS? Well, basically I was at the stage where I was about to paint the rear wheel. So I've got to remove the rear wheel, mask it up, take the tyre off, paint it. It's going to have gold rim and charcoal hub. Front brakes have been overhauled, fitted, they're working perfectly. Tank has been decorated. What I need to do, I've got a new battery which is all charged and in position. I need to fit the tank, fit it all up, run it. Then I need to fit the heat bars. I've started to do there, look. I'm going to paint them red, fit them on. Then I think it's going to be fairly close to finished. Then the most important thing, of course, is ride it. Ride it. Project GS. Rear wheel just about to be fitted. That's turned out really nice, that wheel. Rear brake is next. Get the wheel on. The rear brake has been overhauled. Put that on, bleed it through. There you go. Rear wheel fitted. Bolts. I painted the bolts, but it looks quite nice, I think. This finishes it off really well. So now I'm going to fit the brake caliper, which I've already rebuilt, connect it and bleed it all through. This will potentially be a nice looking bike. Well, here we are. The front wheel has been painted. Gold rim, grey hub. Masking up every one of those spokes was extremely long-winded, ubiquitous and effectively boring. When I demask them, it's going to be exactly the same. But we're now at the stage where the wheel is painted. We're cleaning up all the little bits, hubs, bobbins, discs, etc. And then we put it all together with the tyre, put it back on the bike, because the bike is certainly coming on. Hello everybody, and this is just an opportunity for me to say to you all Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, because it's that time of year. Hopefully in the next few weeks as we go into the new year 2023, I'll be finishing off the GS, putting the tank on, getting it started, and then I'll be riding it, and I'm going to do some riding videos. My plan for next year is to do some riding videos, so hopefully it won't just all be in the workshop, it'll be riding, because I've got the Honda Bros and the GS, which will be finished, and then I have got another couple of projects in the bin ready to go that are not motorbike related. A couple of car engines I've been trying to rebuild for about 3 years, and I am going to do them. When the GS is done, I'm going to ride the GS, do riding videos, and then in the workshop I want to get these engines up and running, because I've been wanting to do them for ages, and I really want to sort of crack on with that. But there's still loads more in the motorbike channel, so don't worry. But yeah, happy Christmas, happy New Year, and next year something to look forward to. Well, there always is, isn't there? That's what Christmas and New Year's all about, isn't it? Anyway, good luck to you all. See you soon. Bye.